Good morning, everybody. Now, today we are going to be writing our setting description. Can you remember yesterday we read a short description about Antarctica and you thought of some actions to go with it? So I'm going to read it again and see if you can join in with your actions. We had arrived in Antarctica. As we stepped off the boat, giant cliffs of ice towered over me. Crisp snow crunched under my boots as I explored the area. In the distance, white peaks pointed up at the blue sky that reflected into the icy water below. In the warmth of the sun, a group of black and white penguins waddled around, flapping their wings and talking to each other. Nobody else was around. The ice-cold wind blew in my face, whistling and turning my nose red like a cherry. I could taste the salt from the ocean on my lips. What on earth was I going to do now? Okay, hope you practiced your actions then. Now, today you're going to be writing your own setting description. Have a think about what you put in your plan yesterday. Now, those of you who submitted your work on Google Classroom, I really enjoyed reading your plans that you had written down and the ideas that you had come up with. Some of you thought of things that you could hear, some things that you could smell, like the salty air, things that you could taste the salty waves on your lips, things you might feel. I know that some of you felt the crisp, crunchy snow under your feet. Some of you saw the white, snowy mountains and the big icebergs. And I remember some of you could hear the penguins squeaking in the distance. You all came up with some really good adjectives as well. Now, when you're writing your setting description, you need to remember to include the 5 senses. So that means you have to talk about things that you can hear, smell, see, feel, taste, and smell. Now, also you have to think about what adjectives you're going to include. And if you're really good, see if you can include a 2A sentence. That means a sentence with 2 adjectives in it. So a 2A sentence example would be: the waves crashed along the snowy, icy shore. Now, the snowy, icy are the adjectives in that sentence. So I want you to finish off my sentence. I'm going to start it off for you. We had arrived in Antarctica. As we stepped off the boat. So that's where you come in. You're going to tell me a super setting description for Antarctica. Don't forget to use your plan from yesterday as well, because you'll need it when you're writing your setting description. Okay, I look forward to reading them all. Bye!